Hello, welcome to another day of Vlogmas. It is another no makeup day, or well, I'll put a little on later because I have my dance class, but I am going to be putting my lashes on later as well. So I will show y'all of that process. It is really easy now, but that wasn't always the case. It did take some practice. I do the Blinkify, so they're the at-home lash extensions and they go underneath your lashes. I love how they look. I love that they are $20 for a box of 3 and you can reuse them. I am currently soaking my last pair in alcohol, so that's all you do is just soak it in alcohol, get all the glue off, make sure all the makeup's off so they're nice and clean, and then just let them dry and just put them back on. So once I get my lashes back on, I will feel a lot better without makeup. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna be doing a lot of editing today, so I may kind of show y'all that process, and then I need to edit the Vlogmas that goes up today and get that up. And now I am behind on filming because week 1 I already missed 2 days of filming, so it's fine. Probably another short vlog and probably kind of boring because I'm just going to be editing all day, and then I need to finish cleaning the bedroom so I can get that tree up, and then I need to clean the living room. But I will turn y'all towards my computer so y'all can kind of see right now my screen. Look at all this. So this is my Florida footage, and then that is today's Vlogmas that I need to get up. That is another vlog and another one. I'm very behind on editing everything. I have a review on my DJI camera. I had a request to do a tattoo tour. So this tattoo, my last one that I got, I filmed that, and then at the end a tattoo tour. So I have that, and then I have my last Spartan race. No, not my last one. It was the 5K I did in Asheville. I was actually able to film quite a bit, and I kind of talked more about Spartan races, and I want to get that up because I got some really good footage. And then actually my friend Erica got some really good footage for me. And then I also have, I swatched the Tarte holiday palette set. I'm going to try and edit that and get that up next week as like my regular video. So I'm still trying to do my regular videos throughout Vlogmas. So I'm going to get to editing because I have a lot to do. So let's edit. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside. Okay, I had to take a little editing break. I think I'm done with today's Vlogmas, but I have been wanting to make some new like little pop-ups within my videos. I have like a subscribe one, but it's one I just found on Canva, but I want to kind of personalize it more, and then I also want to have little pop-ups for my Instagram and TikTok and things like that. So I want to try and do those, but I'm honestly kind of stressing myself out. But I thought that I would start supper because I'm doing a pot roast, so it needs to be in the crock pot for about 4 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and start that, and I thought it would be a good time to take a little editing break and then show y'all another quick and easy dinner idea. I just get these pot roast kits And instead of doing water, I will put it in some chicken broth. So I just use this instead of water, and then if I need more water, I'll just fill this up. That way it kind of gets the rest that's in the carton. So it does come with a seasoning packet, but I also put ranch in it, and I've been using this because I'm out of the packet, so I'll just pour some of this in there. And I have not done this before, but I thought that I would cut up a bell pepper and put it in here because I love how this tastes and I love like the flavors of it. I actually have been cutting them up and putting them in my salads as well. So I had to switch out my nose rings because I was blowing my nose and my black one fell straight down the bathroom vent, and I tried to look for it. I couldn't find it. So I just gave up, and luckily I still had this gold one, so I'm gonna have to order me another one because I really like the black one. But I am about to put on a little bit of makeup and my lashes for my dance class. I don't put a whole lot on because, I mean, I'm working out, but I do like to have a little bit of something. So I always put concealer. This one is a little light when I have my foundation on, but since my face is lighter, it still might be a little light. This one is the new Creaseless Creamy. I really like it. Can y'all hear all of the dogs barking outside? And then I like to do a little of my glow wand, the Shape Tape Glow Wand, which is a liquid highlighter. That is actually one of my best videos, like most viewed videos, is the uses for the Shape Tape Glow Wand. It's been out for a long time, but I did the video because a lot of people thought it was a concealer and still think it's concealer because it's part of the Shape Tape collection. So that is why I initially did that video, to show that it was a liquid highlighter, but there's actually a bunch of ways to use it. So when I'm not doing much makeup, I love to use this Maracuja Juicy Brow. It's actually double-ended. So it has a liquid felt tip on one side, which is what I use, and it gives a microbladed look. And then on the other side it has like a wedge pencil, and then on the same side as the pencil it has a little spoolie. So absolutely love this product. I wish they sold it in store because I would sell the heck out of this in store. So I'm just gonna do some brows. And then sometimes I like to put on a little bit of blush, and I have been using this Pixie On The Glow blush. So I just swipe it right on my cheeks. And then I've been using like a stippling brush. And now I'm going to finally put my lashes back on so I can feel human again. So they come in little sections like this, and then you just dip it in the glue, and hopefully I have these laid out right because I just put them in these little Tupperware containers with a little bit of alcohol, and so I just have to guess where they go. The inner ones are easy on this one. I really love the style, the Princess, but you can tell the beginning because they're a little bit shorter on the inner corner. Just place it underneath, and then I turn the tweezers around and press it up. But make sure you don't have glue on your tweezers because then it'll stick. And you want to make sure you're getting it on your lashes and not on your waterline, because that will be very uncomfortable. And then some people overlap them, but I just put them right beside each other. And boom. I already feel so much better. And I forget how long I've been wearing these, but I have a lot of practice. It did not used to be this easy. And I already think that I'm going to have to redo 1 or 2 of these. But I'm going to go ahead and finish the other eye. I need to leave in about 10-20 minutes. I got a couple of packages today, but I might have to show y'all after class because I need to get changed, finish this eye and get changed for class. So at some point I will show y'all what I got today. One is the Ulta order, and then one is some shoes. Ulta's kind of Black Friday, kind of just makeup, and then the shoes are Black Friday, and I cannot wait to show y'all, so stay tuned. Well, I wanted to go ahead and open my packages before I got on here because I hate to hear like paper and stuff. And already disappointed in my Ulta order because somehow something leaked into my package because the only liquid thing is my foundation, and my foundation is not blue, and it has a very strong scent to it. But here's, if y'all can see like the corner, I'm trying not to show y'all my address, but yeah, so it somehow leaked into, so I'm hoping that my palette is fine. And then this is broke. I don't know if y'all can tell. So this just isn't, okay, so the palette's fine. But this was on major sale on Black Friday. It is the 25-year anniversary Tartelette palette. And it was cheaper than if I were to order it. I think it was $27, but look how pretty. But yeah, the palette's fine. I didn't get into the palette, but that's just aggravating. And then this is shattered, if y'all can see that. So yeah, that wasn't on sale or anything. I just wanted it, and then, but it was Essence, so I think it was like $6.99. I hope this isn't broke because this was even more expensive. Okay, good. So it is a Fenty highlighter. I'm gonna be completely honest with y'all. I'm not a huge fan of the Fenty products, but I do have one other highlighter, and then I really wanted this pink one. It's called What a Brat. And it went on sale. I just have been wanting it, and since I was placing an order, and then I got some more Found Sealer because it was on sale. So this is what I was going to get on Black Friday, but didn't want to wait in line. So I just ordered it online. I got free shipping, and this is medium neutral. Lately I've been mixing the sand and the neutral, but this is my all-time favorite foundation. I've been using it for ever since it came out. I've been using it. So it is a hydrating foundation. I have more normal to oily combination skin, but it has been starting to get a little bit more dry as we're going into the colder weather. But even when I'm oily, even in the dead of summer when I'm oily, I still wear this because it gives me a glow, and I'm still all about a glow. But absolutely love it, and it's just very lightweight when I wear it. I don't feel like I have anything on my skin. That is why I love it so much. And it was 50% off, so I grabbed that. So that's all I got at Ulta. The Tarte palette, the Fenty Beauty highlighter, this Essence banana powder that is shattered, and then Found Sealer. This package it came. It's not very exciting, but I thought I would show y'all anyways. It is just the Athena Club razor replacements. But I think I need to cancel this because I'm pretty sure they have Athena Club at Walmart now. Walmart or Target, I think one of those is there. So I may just quit doing this because I honestly always forget about them, but I am about out, so I am glad for these. But I think, yeah, I think they have it at Target or Walmart now. I am extremely excited about this next package. More shoes that I did not need, but wait until y'all see these. Oh my gosh. Look how cute. So it has a little bow, and then that is plastic, so it's just all pink. And then I think they're actually going to be comfortable because it's padded here and at like the ball of your foot it's padded. So I think they're going to be semi-comfortable, but who cares if they're not? They're so cute. Will I wear them? Probably not, but I have them for if I do. But they were on sale, so I had to get them. And if you follow me on Instagram, I actually did a poll in my stories on if I should get them or not. The majority of y'all said yes, and I probably would have got them anyway. But so obsessed. So those are all of the packages I got today. I just got a notification that my copper petal order shipped, so I can't wait to show y'all what I got from there. I got like 6 or 7 pieces, I think, so I cannot wait to share that. And then I'm trying to think of what else. I ordered a few other things, so whenever those come in I will show y'all. But yeah, that is gonna be it for today's vlog. I know it wasn't very exciting, but at least I got to show y'all my lashes, and then I showed y'all a few packages. But I was gonna run on my treadmill. I got a Peloton treadmill a couple months ago, so I thought about running, but honestly I'm starving and really need to edit, so I might run tomorrow after work. But some point during Vlogmas I will show y'all my treadmill because I am obsessed with it. But I've been slacking on all of my workouts, so yeah, I'll probably run tomorrow, or I might run later tonight, who knows. But that is going to be it for today's Vlogmas. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see y'all tomorrow.